There was pandemonium along the Yuaton Main Road in St. Catherine today as residents staged a massive protest over the lack of water in communities nearby. Motorists were delayed for about 4 hours as protesters flooded the street. As Kalisha Williams reports, the Member of Parliament for North West St. Catherine, Hugh Graham, was not pleased.
Dozens of residents from Orangefield and Jericho in St. Catherine ignored the COVID-19 gathering limit and descended on the Yuaton Main Road. It started out as a chorus of chants as residents demanded better roads and access to water. But as minutes went by, residents told us they were more upset that the communities have been without water for over 25 years.
It boggles the mind and depresses the spirit to know that we have the well in our community and the water is diverted to elsewhere.
And so they said the protest is an overflow of the decades of suffering they have been experiencing.
Wipes me fear use and beard. 30 wipes me use last night and beard. And my foot no wash yet, a socks me have to put on. I pray for no sick last night. Cause my foot to that dirty.
The only water source now, rainwater and purchasing water from trucks. But as the residents protested, they created another problem. They blocked the Yuaton Main Road for about 4 hours, leading to a traffic pileup which stretched hundreds of meters.
People say I'm getting concerned. If I think concerned, so I have to just comply and just wait until the traffic move. Can't do no better than that.
Yet the protesters blamed the National Water Commission and the Member of Parliament for the area, Hugh Graham, for forcing them to do this.
They dig up the road from down by the pump house, go right up by the tank in the square, lay a 6-inch pipe under the ground up there, promise to give us water in that pipe that we can, the community and the citizens may get water from that main. Until this day, no one has get in any water. And we need the Water Commission to come here, and we need Hugo Graham, a policeman, has get his number and call him with the representative, the MP for the area of Northwest. And he say he don't talk to demonstrators.
We unsuccessfully tried to get a response from the National Water Commission, but we spoke to Mr. Graham, who confirmed that the Commission has started a $300 million project to get water into the communities. However, as for the protest, he stressed that the residents took the wrong approach.
We should be able to sit down and discuss matters affecting our communities. And whenever we take matters in our own hands like that, then I don't need to be speaking to demonstrators. So we can have a meeting after they have finished demonstrating.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.
Now, shortly before news time, the National Water Commission issued a statement saying it is addressing the water problems in Orangefield and adjoining communities. The commission said a well has been dug, pipes have been laid, and a pump installed. The NWC added that the team is installing and certifying the electrical systems for the pump, so residents should see improvements in the water supply within the next 4 weeks. However, it said a significant number of people who are on the network are not registered.